going towards the Gare de Little Flanders station, train station. Oh, this is a train going to Paris, TGV train, traveling first class. Let's see, you can get seats. On this train. Says 12, 56, 65.
Coach number 1, the last one.
Thank you. So many people. Look at that.
And you know they are watching the fire on the middle.
Oh, okay, I don't see the fire, but
No, you can't. From here you can. You have to go there.
Yeah, okay. This is close to the Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, obviously that's close. I will.
I can check it on Google.
I will bring you to the Champs-Elysees.
This is not Champs-Elysees?
See, that's it. I will bring you to Champs-Elysees.
Oh,
like
okay.
This you will see also. Okay. And here's the Olympics.
Yes, that's what I just captured
You see
that.
the tourists? They stay here and take a picture. And that's Champs-Elysees. Okay?
Yes. I was wondering, I said, like...
Can you see?
Yes, I saw it.
Okay, now, can you see on the front? Far away. You can see on the top, the gold. Can you see?
Yes.
The gold.
Yes.
It's a far around.
Yes, I saw that on the Paris Olympics. Oh,
Yeah, that's it.
yeah, Obelix.
And behind, you have a big balloon.
Yes.
It's an Olympic balloon with the fire.
Yes, I saw that. And they don't have a real fire. This is all lighting. Did you know that?
What did you say?
It's not real fire. It's lighting.
Ah, yeah.
They don't put actual fire in it.
Yes, in another place. Yes.
Yeah, they light up the cauldron or whatever, and they lift it up. But they don't want it to fall down and people get burnt. the side view. Got a hotel, a room in Paris. It's August 20th, 2024, and this is the room. Pretty nice clean toilet, place to store things, double bed with a TV, and it's a small room, but it's only around 70 euros, which I booked. And the best part is the view from the window. It's directly looking at the Eiffel Tower, so anybody, and that's the highway going past. And I'm gonna check out some things now today in Paris, and whatever I record for my viewers. Okay, have a nice day. Please like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up if you really like the stuff that I'm recording, and comment in the comment sections of what else I can record in my journeys. Bye for now. So just to add, is this a Eiffel Hotel, and the address is 1 Rue du Moulin and 92170 West. That's the place, and also the website is shown on the. Okay, just letting my viewers know I'm not getting any compensation for the hotel. Just this is the place where I stayed for around 70 euros per night. Thanks. Now I'm walking in Paris in Champs-Elysees area. Let's see what I can capture on my video camera. Chanel. With the Levi's. Lancome. Christian Dior, Paris. Champs-Elysees. Chanel. Five Guys. Champs-Elysees. Got the big bus. And you got the hop on, hop off. The Sephora. Excuse me. Zara. Breitling. Is it Breitling? This side. Adidas. WeWork. And you got the Nike across the street. And you got Zara. Urban Outfitters. Yves Rocher. Beautiful flower work. Hello Kitty stuff.
In town.
Tag Heuer. Swatch. Louis Vuitton. Paris 2024. Elysees continuing Suarez. And you have the beautiful arc. We're gonna go close up. At the Cartier shop. Paris, August 20th, 2024. Paris official 2024 Olympic boutique shop.
Other side, but generally on the other side, no boat. So we'll tell you the story why we have no boat on this other side. Et la devise de Paris, c'est fluctuate, mercure, c'est du latin et ça veut dire il est battu par les flots, mais ne coule pas. Et il y a eu beaucoup d'argent pour la reconstruction, donc tout est refait également à l'intérieur, toutes les peintures. Si vous voulez voir à quoi ressemble une église qui est restaurée, vous pouvez aller à Saint-Germain-des-Prés.